Good afternoon, students. 11th Accountancy. Last class we have studied journal entry and accounting equation. Journal entry, so many sums. Last class we have discussed. Journal entry means the process analyzing the business transaction under the heads debit and credit regarding the journal is called journal entry. The debit and credit in recording, which one is debit, which one is income, which one is outgoing, is easy to identify in journal entry. Some new students, 2 or 3 class, some new students admit in 11th CD. Listen, students, you watch carefully this journal entry is a basic for accountancy class. Accountancy subject basic, first basic is a journal entry. You journal entry, you clearly you understood means next chapter very easy only. Okay, students, first one, Somu commenced printing business with cash. Somu printing business with cash. Cash is incoming. Outgoing what? One person started a business is which one is output? Input means cash. Output word is capital. That is cash is DR. Somu capital account CR. Listen students. First one, the top is transaction, accounting invalid, nature of account. This is some debit and credit, which one is incoming, which one is outgoing. This account is which real account or personal or nominal account. That is classifications only. This one is no need. You main is journal entry only. First one is commands business means you automatically cash account DR, capital account CR. Second one, brought goods for cash. Brought means what? Purchase. Purchase goods for cash. For cash. Purchase means automatically incoming is purchase. Outgoing is cash. Purchase account DR, cash account CR. Listen students, incoming is automatically DR. You write DR. Outgoing is CR. CR you no need you write, but that word is automatic. DR means automatically. Next one is CR only. You write purchase account DR, cash account CR. Listen students, this is only you follow in single page only. One page is complete means next one new page only. But accountancy note open means first you write left side or right side. Any one page first you start. Next one is purchase goods from Rahul rupees 10,000 on credit. On credit, purchase goods. Purchase goods means automatically incoming is goods. Purchase account DR, Rahul account CR. Purchase account DR, Rahul account CR. The narration means the bracket line is that is narration. Narration means some conclusion. Conclusion means brought goods for Rahul on credit. Brought goods for Rahul on credit. Next one, cash paid to Rahul. Cash paid to Rahul. Cash paid to Rahul means cash is outgoing. Which person is incoming? Rahul. Rahul account DR, cash account CR, bracket. The conclusion is paid Rahul. Listen, students. Cash paid to Rahul. Cash is outgoing. Paid one person. Rahul is incoming. But another person is cash is decreased. That is, cash is paid means automatically cash is outgoing. Cash is outgoing means automatically CR only. Rahul account DR, cash account CR. Next one, withdraw cash for personal use. Withdraw for cash for personal use. You go to bank, your bank account, withdraw in some cash means you're having 2,000 or 5,000 or 10,000 drawing cash. You're having some money, that is drawing account DR, cash account CR. Drawing account DR, cash account CR. Next one, cash deposit into bank. Cash deposit into bank. Cash deposit into bank. Your account balance is increase. You deposit into bank. Your bank balance is increasing. That is bank account DR, cash account CR. Bank account DR, cash account CR. Narration, cash deposit into bank. Cash deposit into bank. Listen, students. The bank entries is the 2-3 different entries. One is drawing, next one deposit, next one check. This 3 different entries. So next one, paid salary by check. Paid salary by check. Paid salary by check. Paid salary means incoming. Which one? Salary. Salary is incoming. Salary account DR. Bank account CR. Salary account DR. Bank account CR. Narration. Salary paid. Salary paid by check. Salary paid by check. Next one is sold goods to Magesh on credit. Sold means sale. Sold goods to Mahesh on credit. Sold goods. Sold means automatically which person's is incoming? Magesh. Magesh account DR, sales account CR. Magesh account DR, sales account CR. That narration, sold goods to Magesh on credit. Incoming person is Magesh. Sold goods to Magesh. Magesh is incoming. His sales is outgoing. Next one, goods sold to Mahendran for cash. Sold goods to Mahendran for cash. Cash means this sum is so same only. Same. That is sold goods to Magesh on credit. But this sum is sold goods sold to Mahendran for cash. But this person's name only you write. But this sum is goods sold to Magesh for cash. Cash only. That incoming is cash account DR, sales account DR, CR. Cash account DR to sales account CR. Next one. Borrow loan from bank. Borrow loan from bank. You borrow loan from bank means you cash level is increasing or decreasing. You borrow some 1 lakh or 2 lakh rupees. Cash is loan means your cash balance is increasing or decreasing. Your cash balance is automatically your account is credit in some 2 lakh or 3 lakh rupees means automatically your cash balance is increase. The cash account DR, bank account CR. Cash account DR, bank account, CR. Borrowed loan means automatically your cash balance, bank balance is increase, incoming only. Incoming means automatically DR account. Cash is DR account. Bank loan is CR. Next one, received commission. Received commission. Received commission means which one is incoming? Received commission means automatically cash only. Cash is indirectly, but cash is incoming. Commission account CR. Incoming means commission, cash account DR. Commission account CR. Narration commission received. Commission received. Next ones, listen students, this method sum, but this sums for 1 to 11 sums only you write single line only. This is double figure amount. This one is double figure amount. 12th one is 4,000 paid 4,800 is full settlement of 5,000 due to creditors Kirtana. The Kirtana is how much? Listen, full settlement is paid 4,800 full settlement, 5,000 due on due to the credit. Kirtana is incoming. How much rupees incoming? Kirtana amount is how much? 5,000 rupees. But how much rupees is paid? Paid means automatically Kirtana only income, cash balance is increasing, but our cash is decrease only. Is how much settlement? 4,800. 4,800 means the 5,000 due amount is how much? 5,000. To cash paid only 4,800 means to discount received account. Next line is to listen to discount received account is 200 rupees. Discount received. Narration paid Kirtana in full settlement. Kirtana paid full settlement. Next one. Dinesh, a customer, and declared a insolvent and 40 paise rupees is received from the estate of his due 10,000 rupees. Of 10,000 rupees. 40 paise. The Dinesh dealer insolvent 40 paise rupees received from estate in due of 10,000. That same only. The cash is how much you received? 40 paise. 40 paise means that is how much amount? Total amount 10,000. 40 paise means rupees 4,000 rupees. This amount. 4,000 is cash received means how much is not received amount. Not received amount means that amount is long period not received debt means automatic that debt name is bad debt. Long time not paid amount that name is bad debt. How much? 4,000 only you received amount. Due amount is 10,000. 4,000 only received. But bad debt how much? 6,000 rupees. Cash account DR, bad debt account. Bad debt account DR 6,000. To Dinesh is 10,000. Cash received in final statement and insolvency. Okay, students, this is very important journal entry. You understood means easy write in accountancy. This chapter. Listen, students. First, you write question 1 or 2 times. You carefully you read means automatically which one you easily identify which one is debit, which one is credit. Easy to you identify. But your question is not clearly, you not read means is very difficult to only. Listen students, date means compulsory. Questions is date number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Your date is enter means you compulsory enter in date column. Year 2018 March 18 or 2018 2017 March, that year month date compulsory you enter in date column. Next one particular column is some details narration, which one is debit, which one is credit, you enter this journal entry. Next one debit and credit means debit entry amount, debit side only you enter, credit amount you enter in credit side only. Listen students, debit side amount, debit side only you enter, DR side. Debit means DR, credit means CR. Next one, CR you write MR, you CR means that amount same line you write CR, debit column only. Okay students, this is very important this lesson. Next lesson, next one, new methods of sum. Okay, next lesson, new methods of sum. Sum, that sum is some difficult to some carefully and you enter this basic that lessons is basic only, this lesson only. You this lesson you clearly you understood means easy to write that lesson. Listen students, each and every sums you enter in the accountancy class work only. Do not write in white paper or any rough note. Listen students, you write only in accountancy note only. Okay student, next one class, next one new chapter we will discuss. Okay, thank you students.